So you want to make a window that you can't move or close like this. It's just kind of stuck on the screen. And yes, this is a window. Well, I got you. Alright, step 1, open your IDE. I use VS Code. So, import tkinter. This is a GUI module. Alright, import all of it. Boom. Now you have your window. That's your window. You're going to make the size of your window. I'm doing it 600 by 600. You can make it whatever you want. Alright, now, this is the command that's going to, make it unclosable and, unmovable. So, you're going to do override direct and make it true. And then, obviously, you got to run it. So, main loop, boom, save it, run it, and in a second, there you go. There's your unclosable window. And you can't really get rid of it unless you go here and, Control C. It's going to lag out for a little bit, but then eventually, hopefully, if it works, it's going to do it. It takes a while to close. I don't know why, but it does. Let me do it again. And yeah, you just oh, there it is. Yeah, Control C. Alright, that's how you make an unclosable window and unmovable window. Thanks for watching.